In this video, Bitcoin is forming a much clearer pattern here in the 4-hour time frame, and right now we are going to take advantage of this next move. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, 'di ba, sa previous analysis, what we are monitoring were two things. Number one is if magpo-form na ba tayo ng bearish divergence both in the 4-hour time frame and in the daily time frame. At the same time, we were monitoring this bearish cross sa stochastic RSI in the weekly time frame. So, 'di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, I am bearish for the significant mid to long term kasi you can see na we are still forming a potential bearish cross in the weekly time frame sa stochastic RSI. At the same time, sa shorter time frame naman, sabi ko sa inyo na I'm relatively 50-50 pa sa shorter time frame. It's looking like bullish for the short time frame, but I don't think na this is going to last for the long term. Now, may gusto akong pag-usapan ngayon kasi may nag-form ng panibagong movement dito. And 'di ba, sabi ko sa previous video natin, wala tayong nakikitang clear movement pa not unless we start forming a bearish divergence wherein the price is increasing while RSI has started declining. Well, right now, hindi pa tayo nakita ng price increase as compared to what we mentioned sa previous video. But right now, we are starting to form some early signs na ngayon, which is this symmetric triangle forming in the 4-hour time frame. So, di ba, sa previous few videos natin, actually last week, what we were monitoring was this triangle na sinasabi ko nga sa inyo na I don't think is a good pattern kasi as you can see compared sa previous triangle na nakita natin, that was a much clearer triangle kasi mas perfect yung kanyang pagka-symmetric ng triangle. Right now, yun yung gusto natin makita. And ngayon, nag-start na mag-form na magandang triangle na dito sa 4-hour time frame. In this case, what is our next move dito kay Bitcoin? So, trying to look at this, if you're going to plot a support and resistance dito, you would find na meron tayong nag-form na somewhat of a symmetric triangle dito. In that case, ano ba magiging next trade natin dito? So, right now, you can see na we are still tightening dito sa triangle na yan. What I highly suggest is for you to wait out na magkaroon pa siya ng tightening pa dito. And then, the moment na magkaroon tayo ng candle close breakout, either bullish dito or sa bearish, what we have to watch out for next is a candle close with volume. Kasi wala tayong nakikitang kahit ganong volume, then that would not confirm a move. Tingnan nyo guys na sa previous movement ni Bitcoin, sa previous triangle na yan, nag-confirm talaga ng move dito kay Bitcoin was this volume dito sa 4-hour time frame. Right now, in order for us to confirm this move, we must see a candle close with buy volume upon the breakout. And in that case, if let's say ang nangyari dito is nagkaroon ng breakout sa resistance with sell with buy volume, in that case we are going to open a long position dito kay Bitcoin. Then we are going to target dito by getting the height of this triangle. In that case, we can target up to 126k as a new all-time high nga dito kay Bitcoin only if we see a breakout with buy volume. So take note, very crucial na magkaroon muna ng buy volume dito kay Bitcoin. At the same time, once that happens, if let's say that scenario started happening, we can see, di ba, 126k. Ang pwede kasi dyan mag-form ngayon is mag-form ng panibagong bigger divergence wherein the price is increasing while RSI has started declining dyan. So that could confirm this bigger time frame na binabanggit natin na bearish cross. So right now, wala pa tayong confirmation out unless we see that breakout in volume. Now that is the bullish scenario. Kasi of course, this is a symmetric triangle. It's a 50-50 move. Either we see a bullish or bearish movement. Ngayon, yung other scenario niyan is if you're going to see a breakdown, then that would take us back to the 110,000 US dollars. So take note, those are the two things that we are going to monitor. And make sure guys na whenever you are going to open a trade, if let's say nagkaroon na ng breakout with buy volume dito, make sure na you put a stop loss just below the point of breakout. So, if ever na magkaroon, let's say na magkaroon siya ng fake out dito, tapos bumagsak si Bitcoin at di natuloy yun dahil nagkulang ng buy volume, then may hit yung stop loss nyo at wala kayong masyadong mawawalan ng peras. Hindi kayo gano'ng mawawalan ng pera sa inyong capital nyo. So, make sure to place a stop loss if let's say magkaroon na tayo ng breakout. But right now, very crucial thing na kailangan natin abangan ngayon is magkaroon na ng breakout with buy volume, kasi if that happens, then we are going to open a new trade. So make sure to take advantage of those, guys. And if you want to take advantage of those things, make sure to trade that, guys, kay Bybit, kasi kay Bybit mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees as compared to any other platforms. If wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. And if you want to learn different analysis like tulad ng mga pinapakita ko, make sure to check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist na you can find also in the description down below. Anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.